Good day, everyone. This is Onion. It's Thursday, March 18th, pre-market. This morning, I'm going to go over Sundial Growers with you, look at some technical insight, short selling activity, institutional holdings, and we'll talk a little bit about that earnings release yesterday. It's just after 5 o'clock. It's 5:15. You can see the bid and the ask. They've dropped quite a bit from yesterday's after-hour action, and there's 2.2 million shares traded already today. We look at the short-term chart. There was a bullish indicator triggered yesterday. But really the chart right now is showing everything is going to go up. But it doesn't know about the earnings release and the conference call today. So obviously everything here is looking good. There are a few pullbacks here. RSI is at 54, so it's right in the middle. It can go either way fairly easily, but the indicators, the charts are showing upward movement, but obviously, with the catalyst of the conference call this morning, we're gonna have to wait to see what happens when that comes out. So, short selling activity yesterday was fairly low. Surprisingly, it was only 16.63%. You can see this is the short volume ratio here. Now, if you want to sell short today, I just checked. The interest rate is 1.15%. And the shares available are 10 million. It's been 10 million shares available now for almost a month. Institutional activity, there wasn't anything filed yesterday. So as of this morning, you have 52 institutional owners, and they represent 1.44% of the float. So a little bit about the earnings call yesterday. I've gotten in mixed information. I see some information that say they beat the estimate. Some say it doesn't. But either way, it's only $200,000 difference. I had one miss of 200,000 and one beat estimates of 200,000. So it's with $20 million, under $20 million worth of sales, it really doesn't matter. But I just want to say something. It's the share float that is hurting SNDL right now. It's not that the company's not worth anything. It's not that I think I know about the cash on hand and everything, but it's not worth what the share price is. Okay, the market cap right now on Sundial with yesterday's closing price is $2.4 billion. Okay, in comparison, Hexo and Aurora Cannabis in Canada, Hexo does $95 million in sales. Their market cap is $1.2 billion. Aurora Cannabis does $285 million in sales, and their market cap is $1.9 billion. So if Sundial has a share price and holds a share price of $2, they would have a market cap of $3.2 billion. So all you have to simply ask yourself, if you don't know models and if you don't know valuations and everything else, is out of these three companies, if you had $3 billion tomorrow, which one would you buy? It's not that Sundial is a bad company. It's not that they don't have good things happening. The problem is the share float, and the higher the share price goes up, the higher the market value goes up, and it's not worth that. So you are going to see a healthy pullback today. I did a video on this on the weekend, and the price is moving exactly how I see it, and exactly how most analysts have seen it. You keep in mind that the highest rating, analyst rating that you got in the last few weeks was from a very good analyst, and it was at $1.15. So that was his price target in 3 months. I think it's going to go under $1, but let's just say $1.15 is still quite it's still pretty low from yesterday's close. And then one last thing, ownership percentage from the institutions is 1.44%. If this was such a good investment at such a good deal, why hasn't this gone up? And in fact, when the share price, I don't have the filings here, but if you look, at when the share price did spike, the majority of institutions they bailed and they closed their positions. So I'm not bashing this company. I just want everyone to have the right information going into this, because a lot of people like to post rocket ships and saying this thing is going to go up, but logically the share float is going to really hurt Sundial. It might be a great day trade for the next few days, and I think it will be. There's going to be a lot of volatility, some nice spreads and everything, but long term, I do not see good things for Sundial unless we get some good guidance in this call. So, I apologize. I hope I don't get any more nasty messages here. I just want to say my opinion, and again, everybody needs to hear both sides. So I hope this video helps. Have a wonderful day. Don't sleep on this one today. listen to that call and listen for any forward-looking statements that may be of concern. So good luck to everyone and have a wonderful day.